Zeth, you're putting your foot in her face. Lots of things to make me quite
You're showing your tita.
Who's that? Who's that? You're invading her dance.
High five pala, high five.
High five. Gusto niya kasi may fan. Inip na siya. Talagang ginagawa si Mami Hani.
Yaya eh.
Yun o, tatayo daw, tatayo daw. Total.
Stand up. Stand up.
Naglalakad na siya with Adele.
Ayaw, tama.
Pero gusto niya.
Walang sleepers
Yeah,
eh.
pagka-continue tao, then he's more, malisan siya, man.
Hi, Cooper!
Pero actually, buti hindi siya nag-react ng malaki. Normally, pag ibang bata, they'll cry. Siya naman tahimik lang, tapos nakatingin.
Make him scream.
Hey! Hi! I'm coming! I'm coming! Oh, you want to buy a sack of potatoes? A sack. Bounce, 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 bounce.
Ayos.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Pero siya, alam mo din, parang ano eh, no? Parang your workout! Yay! Go! Uy, gusto niya talaga.
Yung mo po.
Parang, ano ba tingin sa akin?
I'm not quite wet. I'm not quite wet, Tita Charlie.
Smells good.
Cute. Grabe.
Smile.
Cute.
Your smile.
Sabi niya yung... Yan ang game natin. Kapag gusto natin.
Yun ang parang naman.
Where's Mama? Mama, Mama, Mama. Where's Mama? Mama, Mama, Mama. Mama, Mama. Where's the food?
Grabe.
Where? You sure you're there?
Meron siya nararamdaman.
Cooper. Cooper.
Kaya per.
Hi, Cooper.
Hoy.
May nakita.
You pick there. Okay, what's next? What's next? What's next? Are you sure them how you can stand?
Come.
Grabe.
Come.
What's that? Basta huwag masyadong maraming tao. Pag maraming tao, tahimik na siya kung nakatingin ka.
Ano nag-enjoy siya?
Yay! We're out of the line. Finish!
Are you there?
Finish line,
Finish.
finish line.
You show them finish. You show them the sign for finish. No, baby. No, that's an official document. That's an official lying document. Let's go home. Let's go home.
Baka iba may bigay sa kanya.
Let's go. Let's go.
Si Del, gigigil.
Jollibee.
Huwa.
Tawag ko nga sa kanya pagka nasa tapos lahat ginagalaw. Lahat tinatapon. Shiva the Destroyer. Shiva the Destroyer ito. Nako, nakakagigal.